Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 137 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick here with the grapes. At least one of the grapes, it wasn't the one that started it. It started with the, let me flip it around, the flame seedless. So this whole area, the whole wall has grapes that go all the way down. And I have a dwarf grape and more grapes that are climbing my patio to give me shade. But I'll show you something that happened early on in the season. I never spray it with water. I don't do anything like that, but I should have sprayed neem long ago. I didn't notice it. I noticed leaves starting to turn like this in the spring. You can see how healthier that is because I started spraying this. This is the flame seedless. You can see the flame seedless grape. They're doing well. So I started concentrating on this and spraying it. But I started noticing that this is healed now, it's scarred. But this was all black, almost fuzzy too, like mold. After I sprayed neem oil on it, it went away. You can see it right there more in there. I sprayed it with neem and it went away. But I didn't know that, obviously it's touching. Every one of the grapes are touching. So it started going to my grandmother's Thompson and it decimated it. It really harmed this variety a lot. So I don't know why, but I'm gonna be more diligent this time. And then the Concord went okay. You can see the Concord has a good amount of grapes. So you can see the Thompson, my grandmother's Thompson, going this way. And then we have the fuzzy leaf Concord that looks a lot better. This is sun damage here. Okay, Concord doesn't like too hot of weather, so that's why I spray it with kaolin clay, or else I don't think would really make it. But you see how productive it is. And then when we go to the Thompson again, you can see this is a Thompson, a Dave Wilson nursery Thompson. You can see the problems that it had. And you can see that those spots again on the vines. And then we go to the Manuka, and the Manuka got hit hard as well. So hard that some of the tendrils on the vine just died. So this is the first time this ever happened. Live and learn. I'll just keep a good lookout for it. And over there you can see my other grapes, but you can see how healthy they look because they're not near these grapes. So something happened here where, basically took a lot of them out, but it's okay. I learned something. I'm gonna thin it out more so it's not so bushy like that. I'm gonna thin it out more so more sun gets into the vine. And I'm gonna try my best to not make them overlap each other in case there's disease. But the thing is, I think ants carry the disease too. I'm not too sure, I need to research. But ants like to go up and down these vines and the rope. So they'll just carry it. But nothing happened to the Concord. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.